How to log out Spotify from all other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out Spotify from all other devices. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you see the option like this, you can just tap on the account. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on option labeled as account overview. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account overview page. Now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as sign out everywhere. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just tap on the button that says sign out everywhere. And once you do that, this will log your Spotify account out from all devices except the one that you're currently using. And with that, to keep your account secure, you can just go to the change password section, and from there you can simply create passwords so other can't log back in. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.